But Matthew wants to go out, and by God, I'm going with him.
You see, we've got killer wind out there.
Woohoo!
That's all I gotta pick up as the day goes, but we already have some whitecaps.
Yes,
So it's gonna be a good day for sailing.
gonna be a great day for sailing.
All right.
Hey, running down the avenue, see how the sun shines brightly in the city, on the streets where once was pretty. Mr. Blue Sky is living here today. Hey, Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. Where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you